What's up, Knuckle Up? So here we go, working out of Gordon E Perrigolds' 1943 Arwrology book. So this is a great drill. So pretty much breaking down a back elbow to an edge of hand. So this is going to be a two-part series. Tomorrow we're going to go ahead and break down these two tools, and I'm going to show you how you're going to utilize these in an actual self-defense situation. So here's the breakdown of just the basic back elbow to an edge of hand drill. So working with my homeboy Brad, all I'm going to do here is stand right here. Just like we did with the wall drill, I'm going to utilize my hook movement, bringing my elbow across the left hip here. I'm going to come in, looking for a target for the next here. So we're going to go slow to look at the target acquisition. From here, I'm just going to drop that edge of hand to the side of his neck. Then come here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then Brad's going to do the exact same thing to me. 1, more time, and that's all you're really looking for. And to be honest with you, you don't need a whole lot. I mean, just be barely hitting in here and here, you're gonna feel that slight edge of hand against your neck. So basically, there you go. That's your drill. All you're looking to do is come 1, 2, 1, 2, and you're not looking to go real hard on the guy unless he has a pad. Where he has a pad, hold your hand over right here. He has a pad here where I can literally go 1, 2, and then he puts his other hand up here. And then I can go 1, 2, and then break it down just for more of that power utilization. But once again, just working the basic drill of coming here, arm across, hip width, elbow, edge of hand. That's all you're looking for. Work both sides. Tomorrow, we cover the second half of the drill. Let me know what you think.